Welcome to STEM World, your gateway to the fascinating realm of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. In this video, we will embark on a captivating journey through the intricate and awe-inspiring world of oceanic systems and processes. From the depths of the ocean to its diverse ecosystems, we explore the wonders that lie beneath the surface. Join us as we dive into the realm of marine biology, oceanography, climate science, and more. Get ready to unlock the secrets of the oceans, unravel the mysteries of underwater geology, and witness the incredible interplay between the atmosphere and the deep blue. Let's embark on an adventure of discovery, knowledge, and inspiration in the vast expanse of STEM world. Are you aware of a phenomenon called marine, or oceanic boundary? While it is a popular misconception that two oceans do not mix, there are no specific locations where two oceans completely avoid mixing. Oceans are vast bodies of salt water that are in constant motion due to various factors such as currents, winds, and tides. However, there are instances where different bodies of water with distinct properties, such as temperature, salinity, or density, meet and create visible boundaries. These boundaries can appear as stark color contrasts, temperature variations, or differences in clarity. The most well-known examples include Gulf of Alaska. The Gulf of Alaska is a region where the Pacific Ocean and the Gulf of Alaska waters meet. The mixing of glacial meltwater from the Alaska coastline and the comparatively warmer Pacific Ocean waters results in visible variations in color and temperature. Confluence of the Atlantic and Indian Oceans. The confluence of the Atlantic and Indian Oceans near the Cape of Orgullis in South Africa is another example. The meeting of the warm Orgullis current from the Indian Ocean, and the cooler Benguela current from the Atlantic Ocean can create visible oceanic boundaries. It's important to note that these boundaries are not fixed and can vary depending on the time of year, weather conditions, and other environmental factors. Oceanic mixing and circulation occur on a large scale, with water masses constantly interacting and exchanging properties over time. Oceanic mixing and circulation are complex processes that occur on a global scale and involve the movement of water masses across vast distances. Here are some additional details about these processes. Currents. Ocean currents play a significant role in the mixing of water masses. Major ocean currents, such as the Gulf Stream, the Kuroshio Current, and the Antarctic Circumpolar Current, transport large volumes of water over long distances. These currents can carry water with different properties, such as temperature and salinity, and contribute to the mixing of oceanic waters. Gyres. Gyres are large, circular rotating systems of ocean currents that occur in the major ocean basins. These gyres can span thousands of kilometers and are driven by a combination of factors, including winds and the rotation of the Earth. Within gyres, water masses can mix vertically and horizontally, leading to the exchange of properties. Upwelling and downwelling. Upwelling and downwelling are vertical movements of water that also contribute to oceanic mixing. Upwelling occurs when deeper, nutrient-rich waters rise to the surface, often driven by offshore winds or the interaction of currents with coastlines. Downwelling, on the other hand, involves the sinking of surface water to deeper layers. These vertical movements facilitate the exchange of nutrients and other properties between different layers of the ocean. Tides. Tides, caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun, also influence oceanic mixing. The rise and fall of tides result in the movement of water, which can enhance the mixing of different water masses, especially in coastal areas and estuaries. Overall, it's important to understand that while there may be visible boundaries or areas of water with different properties, such as temperature or salinity, the oceans are constantly in motion and undergoing mixing processes on various scales. The notion of two oceans completely avoiding mixing is not accurate due to the interconnected nature of Earth's oceanic systems. Part 2. There are numerous STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, careers involved in studying the complexities of oceanic systems and processes. Here are 20 examples of such careers. Oceanographer. Oceanographers study various aspects of the ocean, including its physical properties, currents, marine life, and ecosystems. They conduct research, collect data, and analyze samples to understand oceanic processes. Marine biologist. Marine biologists focus on studying marine organisms, their behavior, habitats, and ecological interactions. They may research the impacts of environmental changes on marine life and work to conserve and protect marine ecosystems. Physical oceanographer. Physical oceanographers investigate the physical properties of the ocean, such as temperature, salinity, and currents. They use mathematical models and data analysis to study ocean circulation, climate patterns, and the movement of water masses. Marine geologist. Marine geologists study the geological processes and formations in the ocean. They analyze seafloor topography, sediment composition, and geological structures to understand plate tectonics, submarine volcanoes, and the history of the oceanic crust. Ocean engineer. Ocean engineers design and develop technologies and structures for use in the ocean environment. They may work on projects related to offshore platforms, marine robotics, underwater vehicles, or coastal engineering to address challenges. We strive to create engaging and informative climate scientists that brings climate scientists STEM study the Earth's climate system, including the interactions between the atmosphere, fascinating and inspiring. We kindly invite you to join our community by liking, data, subscribing, run climate models, and investigate how oceanic processes contribute to climate change and variability. You show your appreciation for the knowledge and effort we put into each video. Chemists examine the chemical composition and processes that you never miss out on the latest updates. They study the distribution of nutrients, pollutants, and trace elements, as well as the chemical reactions that occur in marine share your thoughts with us and fellow viewers. Fisheries scientists. Until the next Fisheries scientists focus on the sustainable management of fish populations and aquatic ecosystems. They study fish behavior, population dynamics, and fishing practices to promote conservation and responsible resource management. Remote sensing specialist. Remote sensing specialists use satellite or airborne sensors to collect data on oceanic processes. They analyze remote sensing data to study sea surface temperature, ocean color, and other parameters to monitor changes in the marine environment. Data scientist/analyst. Data scientists or analysts with a focus on oceanography process and analyze large datasets collected from various sources. They apply statistical and computational techniques to extract meaningful insights and patterns from oceanic data. Marine ecologist. Marine ecologists study the relationships between organisms and their environment in marine ecosystems. They investigate topics such as species interactions, biodiversity, and the impacts of human activities on marine habitats. Marine conservationist. Marine conservationists work to protect and conserve marine ecosystems and species. They develop and implement strategies for sustainable resource management, habitat restoration, and policy advocacy. Marine meteorologist. Marine meteorologists specialize in studying weather patterns and atmospheric conditions specific to the ocean environment. They analyze data, create forecasts, and study the impact of weather systems on oceanic processes. Coastal geologist. Coastal geologists focus on the interactions between land and sea in coastal areas. They study coastal erosion, sediment transport, and shoreline dynamics, and develop strategies for coastal management and protection. Marine geneticist. Marine geneticists study the genetic diversity and adaptation of marine organisms. They investigate the genetic makeup of marine species and explore the evolutionary processes that shape marine ecosystems. Marine archaeologist. Marine archaeologists explore and study submerged archaeological sites and artifacts. They investigate shipwrecks, submerged landscapes, and ancient human settlements to uncover insights into maritime history and cultures. Marine remote sensing specialist. Specialists in marine remote sensing use satellite or airborne technologies to collect data on the ocean's surface and its features. They analyze remote sensing imagery to monitor oceanographic phenomena, including sea ice, ocean currents, and algal blooms. Marine biotechnologist. Marine biotechnologists apply biotechnology techniques to study and utilize marine organisms for various applications. They research marine-derived compounds for pharmaceuticals, biomaterials, and environmental remediation. Marine microbiologist. Marine microbiologists study microorganisms, such as bacteria, viruses, and archaea, in marine environments. They investigate microbial processes, nutrient cycling, and the roles of microorganisms in marine ecosystems. Marine robotics engineer. Marine robotics engineers design and develop autonomous underwater vehicles, OVs, and remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, for ocean exploration and research. They work on the design, control systems, and data collection capabilities of these underwater robotic systems. These careers showcase the interdisciplinary nature of studying oceanic systems and the diverse range of expertise required to understand and manage our oceans effectively. Each career may require different educational backgrounds and specialized knowledge, but they all contribute to our understanding of oceanic systems and processes. At STEM World, we strive to create engaging and informative content that brings the marvels of STEM exploration right to your screen. If you find our videos fascinating and inspiring, we kindly invite you to join our community by liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing our videos. By hitting that like button, you show your appreciation for the knowledge and effort we put into each video. Subscribing to our channel ensures that you never miss out on the latest updates and captivating content we have in store for you. We value your thoughts and insights, so don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your thoughts with us and fellow viewers. Until the next one.